Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg without breaking the yolk. First, always start with fresh eggs. They hold their shape better. When cracking, tap the egg gently on a flat surface, not an edge, to prevent the yolk from rupturing. Then, carefully open the shell and slide the egg into your pan or pot. This initial gentle handling is crucial for maintaining that perfect, unbroken yolk. One excellent method is poaching. Bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer, ensuring it is not boiling rapidly. Add about 1 teaspoon of white vinegar to the water. This helps the egg whites set quickly around the yolk. Carefully lower your egg into the simmering water. Cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk, then gently remove it with a slotted spoon. For a classic sunny side up, heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter or oil. This prevents sticking and adds flavor. Gently place your egg into the warm pan. Cook slowly until the egg whites are completely set and opaque, but the yolk remains warm, bright, and beautifully fluid. Avoid high heat, which can make the whites rubbery and the yolk firm. Another fantastic technique is steaming. After placing your egg in a hot pan with a little fat, add about 2 tablespoons of water to the pan. Immediately cover it with a lid. The steam will cook the top of the egg, setting the whites while keeping the yolk perfectly runny in about 2 to 3 minutes. Alternatively, you can continuously spoon hot butter or oil over the yolk to baste it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.